plug in your OBD2 scanner, and it says no link, error, or can't connect to ECU. Yeah, that's super frustrating. Before you blame the ECU or spend your hard-earned cash at a shop, hang tight, because I'm about to show you 5 easy fixes that solve this problem in most cars. Let's start with why this happens. If your OBD2 scanner can't connect to your car's ECU, you can't pull engine codes, reset warning lights, or figure out what's wrong. But here's the good news. Most of the time, it's just a simple power, fuse, or reset issue. The ECU itself is rarely the culprit. First fix, and this is the biggest one, check your ignition position. Your ignition needs to be on for the scanner to talk to the ECU. If you've got a key, turn it to the on position, but don't actually start the engine. For push-button start, press the start button twice without pressing the brake. Dashboard lights should be on. Now, plug your scanner back in and see if it connects. Second fix, check for power at the OBD2 port. If your scanner isn't even lighting up, the OBD2 port probably isn't getting power. Plug in and look for any lights on the scanner. Grab a flashlight, take a look at the port. Make sure there are no bent or loose pins. And seriously, don't poke around with metal tools. That's a shortcut to a short circuit. Fix number 3. Check the OBD or ECU fuse. The OBD2 port almost always shares a fuse with the cigarette lighter or accessory socket. Open your fuse box, find the fuse labeled ACC, OBD, ECU, or CIG. Pull it out and check if it's blown. If it is, swap it for a new one. A blown fuse can totally block the scanner from connecting to your ECU. Fourth fix, reset the ECU. Sometimes a basic reset is all you need to fix weird connection glitches. Turn the engine off, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait about 10 to 15 minutes. Press the brake pedal a couple of times. This drains any leftover power. Reconnect the battery, start your car, and plug the scanner in again. Last fix, check your scanner and vehicle compatibility. Not all scanners work with every car. Make sure your scanner is OBD2 compliant and your ride is a 2001 or newer petrol or 2004 or newer diesel. Test your scanner on another car. If it works there, your scanner's good. Now, if none of these quick fixes work, it could be something more serious. You might be dealing with damaged ECU wiring, a CAN bus problem, or a faulty ECU. At that point, you'll need some pro diagnostics, but before you panic, always check power, fuses, and try a reset. These 5 steps fix most OBD2 connection problems. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to CarFix School, and drop a comment below. Let me know what error your scanner's showing. Thanks for watching.